Merry Christmas, honeycrunchers! Santa gave me 2 nail polishes. Well, my sister did. They're from Girl Stuff's Instant Gel Nail Polish line, which is called Solique. They're inside a purple glamorous box. At the back of the box, you can see the directions on how to use them and how to remove them. Plus, you can see their official accounts and the stores they're located. Now, let's open the box. This is Nylon. According to their site, this shade is a luxe neutral with gold specks that elevates the classic nude. Then the next one is Midnight Dreams. It has a shifting shade of blue to green with a hint of purple. According to their site, it has a frosted finish. These two are my first ever Solique nail polishes, and I'm so excited to try them. Would you like to see a swatch and review video for these two? Leave your answers on the comment section below. Oh, and before I forgot, this video is not sponsored by the company or the brand. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and never forget to share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, you guys. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!